Morning everybody. Morning everybody, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome to another video. It's St. Patrick's Day, so the what are we on? Let's have a look. So the 15th of March, and it's a Saturday morning, a very chilly St. Patrick's Day, as you can see. Very icy on the car. We're here at Blakemere Village Caravan Park. As you can see, it's full because of St. Patrick's Day celebrations tonight. Yeah, but we're leaving today because we've got to go to Lamb's Cottage, which is just up the road. As you can see, it's a beautiful day, a very bright sun, and we've been here a week, and it's been a good sight. Very quiet until yesterday when loads of people turned up. As you can imagine, it's a very popular site. Right, so there is the reception building, and here are the amenities. Elsan Point there, bins down there, the paddock down there, which is that sign there like that, and then there's rabbit holes, so you got to be careful when you walk around the park. So there's the gents in here. Shared family shower, laundry room. So washing machine is £6 for 35 to 40 minutes, and then £3 for the dryer. But I think that the dryer, if you put £4 in, then you get an hour, sort of 58 minutes, and it does quite well. The ladies is this side, disabled this side, and then there's like picnic area around the back there, and you can walk through that fence there to Blakemere Shopping Village, which, as you can see, is down there. So here is the shopping village all along there, and it's quite good as people live on site here. All the wardens. Here's your motorhome dump point, water, grey waste. And very quickly, I'll just take you around here. So there's about, I don't know, about 60 pitches maybe. I'm trying to be quiet because everybody's still asleep. It's still early. It's about 7 AM in the morning, and that's why it's so crispy and white and crunchy. So in that static caravan there is where one of the wardens lives on site. Another warden lives there. There's entrance to another field there, and that's the football pitches and things like that. I don't know what's in this little hut here, but then you've also got fob barrier entry here, overflow car parking there, electric chargers there, little roundabout information block, and then the main reception. Ping pong table, fuzzball, ride to the kiddies, and you can also get little treats for the kids, little strings and crazy wheel cars and all sorts of things. We've never been here before. It's a great site, and we'll probably come back again. They're obviously closed in there, but it is a full shop. Yeah, so that's pretty good. And then around here, you've got a little bit picnic area. This is your late arrivals area where the van is. You've got electric hook up there in case you come after 8 PM. And then places to sit and have your ice creams outside. So then outside of the camping site, which is, as you can see here, is there like that. We've got the big car park here for Blakemere Village. So that grey building there is the one that you saw between the gates near the toilet block. And then all up here is Blakemere Shopping Village. It's like artisan village. There's craft shops and clothes shops, and there's a fairground for the kids and all sorts. It's pretty good. I'll put a map on if I can, and I'll put a list of all the shops on if I'm able to. Depends on what sort of editing I can do on this video, because I know we've not done many videos recently, but we've been really busy, and you'll probably seen why recently. on a previous video, and if not, then I will do update videos in the coming weeks because we've just been so busy. There's you know, not a lot of time at the moment, but yeah, so it's very chilly. It's about -2, I think, at the moment. It feels a lot colder. Anyway, so yeah, it says there no vehicle exit between 8 AM and 10 PM. So after that, you're stuck. And if you're going to do that, you have to leave your car here so that you don't disturb anybody on site. 5 mile an hour round, and everybody seems to be obeying it, which is good. It's not families. Sorry, it's not adults only. It's families, and to be fair, it's not been loud at all. It's been very quiet, which is good. So we haven't been down here to the paddock because there's no point in us doing that, because we don't need to go down there. We don't need to disturb anybody. So we've just been here, which are the gold pitches, and these are fully serviced. So we've got water, we've got drainage, and we've got 16 amp power, which is really good. I can't remember how much we paid for it, but it wasn't expensive and it wasn't cheap. Oh, hello, Mr. Robin. Or Mrs. Robin, whichever you want to be, I don't know. And then down on this side, we've got more round the back where the grey car is at the bottom. Round the back there's more artisan, and there's more waste disposal. And then further up there, through the barrier, you've got static caravans, and that is like the residential park area. So anyway, that's it. Blakemere touring and caravan park. Plenty of birdies. Starlink's been up for a week. We've done well. Both of us have been able to work full time for 5 days. It's been really good. Good speeds, about 120 megabit. It's been fine. No disturbances. And it's a very nice site. As you can hear the birdies, there's loads of birds, blackbirds, blue tits, long-tail tits, great tits, robins. We saw a squirrel. So it's really good. Really worth coming if you're ever in this area. Northwich, we are not far. Come and stay. It's really worth it. The wardens on site are lovely, very accommodating, very helpful, and the pitches are massive, as you can see. Huge pitches, big enough for Connie, and the car, or an awning as well. People have got their awnings up, as you can see. We've not brought our awning because it's too cold yet, and we're not that adventurous. But anyway, oh, what else is there? There is dishwashing and pot wash and veg prep, and I think a dog wash and a boot wash as well. So yeah, and then round here, I have no idea what this is, but it's like a bit of a jungle. I don't know. Yeah, so as you can see, that is behind the van. Yeah, so we're just there, and you've got all that space behind. So yeah, so that's it. So Blakemere Caravan and Touring Park at Northwich, very good site, and we're sad to leave, but we're going to go somewhere else for a week, and then we're off to Wales, as you'll see in the next few videos. Well, thanks for watching. If you like this sort of content, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.